In this video, we will implement this effect. It's simple, but it will give you a better understanding of how to animate using geometry nodes. Apply a geometry node to the default cube and add a grid object. Increase the size and increase the number of vertices sufficiently. Add an instance on points node and connect the cube to the instance socket. Add a set position node. Add a combine XYZ node because we want to give it a shimmering movement along the z-axis. Add a noise texture node. If you connect the scene time node to the scale socket of the noise texture, you can see how it moves irregularly in the z-axis. If you add a multiply node, you can see a larger amplitude of the movement. Use the multiply node to slow down the movement a bit. Subtract 0.5 after the noise texture so it doesn't deviate from the original center point. By adding a mix color node, we can animate between the two movements.